Instagram has introduced a new feature that makes it easy for you to make plans with your friends. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Instagram's Plan Sticker. Now let's get started. To start making plans with your friends through Instagram, tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. Then tap the new chat icon. Select Make Plans with Friends. Now you can start adding details for your Hangout. Tap the black bar at the top of the sticker to add an event title. Type in what you want to name your event. Then tap When to select a date and time. Tap How to join, then add information about where your Hangout will be taking place. If this is a virtual Hangout, you could add in a meeting link for Messenger Rooms, Zoom, or any other video chat service you like. When you're finished adding details to the sticker, tap Done in the top right corner. Before sending your invite, you can also change the background color by tapping the colored circle at the top, and add in additional text and stickers if you'd like. When you're ready, tap Invite in the bottom right corner to choose friends you want to send it to. Look through your list of friends and tap Send next to the name of anyone you want to invite to your event. Your friends will receive your invite in a DM. When they open the invite, they can respond by tapping Going or Not Going. They will also be able to see who else has been invited and how they've responded. You'll be notified of their response in your chat with them. Anyone that responds to your invite as Going will be added to a group chat for the event. This will make it easier for everyone to keep in touch and inform everyone of any changes. That's all it takes to make plans with your friends through Instagram with the new Plan Sticker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.